What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today. And today we're going to check out the Moshi iON glass screen protector for the iPhone XS and XS Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So according to Moshi, the iON glass screen protector is atomically strengthened, which makes it 40% thinner than a generic tempered glass screen protector, and also stronger than a tempered glass screen protector. On top of that, you still get your standard features of a glass screen protector from edge-to-edge protection, precision fit, scratch resistance, and of course an oleophobic coating to resist and make it easy to clean off fingerprints. Anyways, let's dive into this and see what we get. It does come in your traditional Moshi Soya ink premium packaging. Slicing this open, looks like the first thing we get is a large dust removal sticker. I really like how Moshi is, as far as I'm concerned, the only brand that actually includes a nice big sticker and not some really tiny one, so this makes the installation so much more easier and better. And last but not least should be your instructions as well as the screen protector. Since I reviewed the iON glass probably about a couple years ago, one thing that jumped out to me is that I think Moshi improved the oleophobic coating on this one here, just because it feels a lot slicker than the previous model reviewed. I think it was either for the iPhone 7 or iPhone 10, but nonetheless, definitely a big improvement over last year's model. Alright, so let's install the new screen protector on. First off, if you have an old screen protector, make sure you take that off first. I recommend grabbing an eyeglass cleaner, as well as a microfiber cloth, or use the small one here that's included with Moshi to clean off all the dirt, dust, grease, fingerprints, and all that sorts. Once you've done that, grab your big dust removal sticker here. Then we'll peel this off, place it on top of your phone, and just lightly press down just to ensure that the sticker has gotten every portion of the glass. You can also push the sides down a little bit to get a bit of the curved edge display there. Once you've done that, make sure your screen protector is on standby, as once you remove the dust sticker, we're going to put on the tempered glass screen protector. Carefully peel back your new screen protector. Any remaining bubbles, just remove with your finger in the microfiber cloth. And once you're done, this should be the end result. So here's a closer look at the iON glass, and I have to say, this is pretty nice. It really looks like there's no screen protector on here thanks to that edge-to-edge protection. And like buying a screen protector of any sort, the main reason to buy a screen protector is that it's cheaper to replace a screen protector than it is to replace your iPhone. Now, if you notice during the installation, the easiest way to line up the screen protector is actually using the earphone on the top here. So if you get that lined up, you should be able to straighten it out a little bit easier, and while making sure that the earphones lined up to ensure a perfect fit. Anyways, taking a quick overview of the screen protector, not really a whole lot to overview of, but of course the entire front is covered up in tempered glass, as well as 99% of the edge. The only cutout on this screen protector is the one for the earphone at the top here. There isn't a cutout for the FaceTime camera, but the area where the FaceTime camera isn't covered up with that black finish on the edges. So that is obviously available, and of course your light sensors and stuff will be working as well. Here's a closer look at the most important part of the screen protector, which of course is the edge protection. You can see here a tiny bit of the original glass display is exposed. It's not like 100% protection, but it is pretty much 99%. But there's enough of the original glass covered up on the edge to the point where if you ever drop your phone and it hits the edge, it's going to hit the screen protector first and not the original glass display on your phone. The biggest thing for me is not just the protection you get out of a glass screen protector, but also the fact that the iON glass here maintains the look of your iPhone without making it obvious that there's anything on it. I also like the curve that Moshi put on the edge of the glass display. It's really form-fitting, so when you glide your fingers over, it glides right next to the polished curved edge of the actual iPhone. Now the Moshi iON glass isn't cheap, it does cost a few bucks. That being said, it's one of those screen protectors and accessories that you get for your phone that'll likely last a lifetime of it. So unless you drop your phone and break the screen protector or get it really scratched up from rough use, then it's definitely well worth the investment. For those of you who are concerned whether the screen protector impacts the quality of the display, because it's glass, which is one of the most transparent consumer grade materials out there, it preserves the look of the actual Retina display on the phone. So everything from the color, vividness of the display, the text, the whites, the blacks, everything is preserved just like if you were using the original glass display of the phone. But of course, nothing is perfect. You do lose one thing, and that is Apple's anti-reflective coating that's on the iPhones, which you can see here. Like any glass screen protector, not just Moshi's, there's a little bit more of reflection than the original display. Overall, guys, I definitely have to say I'm really happy with the Moshi iON glass. One thing I like about the iON glass compared to Moshi's privacy screen protector is that you do get protection for the earpiece on the top of your phone. And for those of you wondering how this compares to my other screen protector that I've been using for like 6 months now, I do prefer Moshi's a little bit more just because it's slightly thinner and a little bit more form-fitting around the edges. In conclusion, guys, if you want to buy a screen protector that's going to be your last screen protector you ever need to put on your phone, you definitely can't go wrong with the Moshi iON glass. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If any questions or comments about the iON glass from Moshi, let me know in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.